guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making these delicious little bite-sized shrimp toast. They're so easy, so delicious, so let's get started. To start out, we're going to go ahead and dice up half a small onion. You can do more if you want to, but I find like too much onion is a bit too much. You're going to want to dice this quite small because we are baking this for only 25 minutes, so you want to make sure it cooks all the way through. Put that into a clean bowl and then go ahead and set that aside. We're going to dice up some garlic. I did 4 cloves. You can do a little bit less if you want, but I do like my garlic, so I'm going to go ahead and add in a ton. And then we're going to add that into the bowl with the diced onion. We're going to also chop up some green onions. The green onions, you're going to want to do half into the bowl with the onion and then save half for the garnish, just because we want to have a little bit of green when it's all done. We're going to take about half a pound of shrimp and we're going to cut them up into small pieces. Again, you want them small because we are baking this for only 20 minutes on a lower heat, so you want to make sure they cook all the way through. And then finally, we're going to chop up some crab. I am not using this whole thing. I used half for the toast and then I used half for my crab rangoon. So you're going to want about, I don't know, half a cup, maybe not even. You're going to add in some Japanese mayo. I used a 1/4 cup here. I know this is a 1/3 cup, but I only used a 1/4 cup. And then we're going to add in some mozzarella cheese. This is going to be gooey and delicious. You're going to give that a little mix just to combine everything together, and then we're going to garnish it with season it with some salt and pepper, and again give that a nice toss. And then we are going to go ahead and put this into the fridge so that it marinates for at least 30 minutes. I usually do about an hour, do my chores or whatever around the house, and then come back to it. Here we are going to cut up our French baguette. You can do whatever you want. I just always have this on hand. I'm going to put some vegetable oil on some parchment paper just to make sure that our bread gets nice and toasty. And then we're going to top it with our shrimp and crab mixture. I am going to put this into the oven and we are going to bake this for 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees or until fully cooked through. When they come out, we're going to garnish them with some fresh green onions that we cut up and enjoy.